Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I figured I'd do an updated video on how I bleach my roots. I'm using the Blondme from Schwarzkopf. This is their bleach and their 20 volume developer. Now I try to open up my mirror and I lost a nail. Don't you hate when that happens? So this is my self-style system. This is actually their new model. This is their travel version and it comes in this delicious pink color. That was me bending down to find my nail. So as you can see, my roots are about maybe 4 weeks old. I did give myself a fresh cut the night before, and I'm only using 1 scoop of the bleach. And then at this point, I kind of just eyeball the developer, but I do have a video on specific measurements, so you can look back to that one. So I'm showing you I'm using a smaller brush so I can make sure to be very precise. You want to make sure that you're not overlapping the bleach to what is already been bleached. So I divided my hair and I'm just showing you, basically I'm just applying the bleach, and I literally love this mirror so much. I use every single side of it as you see me flipping back and forth. You want to make sure that you go in very thin small parts or parts of your hair so that you can saturate all your roots and you're not left with any missed spots. So you're just going to see me going back and forth. And at this point, I've already gotten to the other side. Boy, I wish it was this fast to get through my roots. But you're just going to really make sure that you saturate. You really don't want it to overlap. I don't mind it overlapping for the simple fact of I usually get a yellow band or a blonde band, and I want to get rid of that. So you want to really work as quick as you can because my front will process longer than the back. So my front will usually be more white blonde than in the back. The back will still be almost more yellow golden shade, so I try to move as fast as I can. This is me, that I'm literally moving that fast. I freaking wish, you guys. So I'm just going piece by piece, layer by layer, making sure that I saturate all my roots. And then what I like to do at this point is go back and check that I haven't missed any spots, or if I feel like any spots need a little extra bleach. So I like to go throughout all my hair piece by piece to make sure. So this was the side that was processing first. You can see it's not ready yet. It's only been a few minutes. I think it takes me about 25 minutes to really bleach my head. And then what I find has really been working for me is I put a shower cap on and then I put a towel over it just to maintain the heat. So it took me 25 minutes to apply, and this is about 50 minutes to an hour later. You can see my roots are super blonde, pale, yellow, inside banana situation. They are definitely ready to be rinsed out. So I'm going to be using the No Yellow and the No Orange shampoo. And as you saw there, I had already rinsed out all the bleach, and I'm starting with the No Yellow. So that's the purple pigmented shampoo. This is really going to help take out all the yellow tones. You can see that the purple kind of latched on to my ends because that is what's going to be the most porous. I'll show you how I diffuse that later. Now I'm going in with my No Orange shampoo, which is going to give me more of an icy white, icy blonde hair color. And then after that, I rinse that out, and I'm going to use the fiberfix shampoo. This is really going to help make sure that your hair is squeaky clean, and also it's going to help start building and repairing your hair. I also just applied the fiberfix conditioner, or the bonding connector. That's going to seal up your cuticles, make sure that no more damage happens to your hair. All the chemicals that you're using, you really want to make sure that you're strengthening your hair in between. Those are them. I highly recommend them, especially if you are a bleacher. Obviously, that's what's really gonna be used for, is for after bleaching. This is the final result of all the shampoos and conditioners. You can see that it is almost whitish. I'm gonna give it a 9-10 as a very platinum blonde. You can see the back is a little bit more yellow than the front. Like I said, the top stays on longer, or whichever part you start on is gonna be processing longer than the part that you finish with. So always, always, always I go in with a leave-in conditioner. This is from the NutriCare line, again from Fanola, and I'm just gonna put that in my palm and I run that throughout all my hair. I want to make sure that it stays hydrated and moisturized, and I don't want it to get dried out. For the sides of my head, basically since it's shaved so low, I'm basically applying bleach to my skin, to my face. So I apply a moisturizer. It's from Pond's. It's their dry skin moisturizer, just to make sure that my skin doesn't get dried out and it doesn't break out and it's happy and moisturized. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna let my hair air dry. So this is the next day. You can see that my hair is super light, super white blonde. I'm not gonna say it's white, I'm not gonna say it's gray. It's kind of just very platinum on the way to white. Thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. See you guys in the next one.